Here's how you can start investing as a beginner. First, let's be honest, saving your money in a piggy bank or a basic savings account or even a job is not going to make you rich. But investing, that's where the real magic happens. In today's video, I'll show you 9 beginner-friendly ways to invest your money, ranked from the simplest to the most advanced. Whether you're starting with a few thousand naira or ready to dive into the stock market, I've got you covered. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start growing your money like a pro. Let's start with the simplest, being bank fixed deposits. This is the easiest and safest option. It's like lending your money to the bank for a specific time, 6 months, a year, or more, and they pay you interest in return. Here's why it's great for beginners. For starters, it's completely risk-free. And also, there is no complicated process. Just walk into your bank or use the app. The only downside is that the typical returns are between 8 to 12% annually. However, if you're just starting with no knowledge of investing and just want to grow your savings a little, fixed deposits are the perfect baby step. Next up, we have fintech savings platforms like piggyvest and Optimus. These apps are taking savings to the next level by offering better interest rates than traditional banks, from as low as 10% to as high as even 20%. Here's a list of the fintech platforms I've made use of over the years. My favorites so far are Optimus and WorldBuddy. Why, you may ask? Well, for starters, you can automate your savings and forget about it. If you know me on this channel, you know that I'm very big on automating my savings. So yes, that's a plus for me. You could also set savings goals like for a new car or a vacation. And then a few of these apps even lets you save in dollars to beat inflation. With fintech apps, you're not just saving, you're growing your money with zero effort. So if you're on your phone 24/7, why not make it work for you? Moving up a level, let's talk about mutual funds. Now, mutual funds are professionally managed investment portfolios. You put your money in and the fund manager invests in stocks, bonds, and other assets. So rather than investing separately in fixed deposits, stocks, bonds, and the rest, just put your money in mutual funds and own a piece of each of the pie through one investment. And here's why it's beginner friendly. For one, there's no need to research individual stocks or bonds. Also, you're instantly diversified, which reduces your risks. And then the returns vary from 12% to as much as 27% depending on the fund. Imagine your money being managed by experts while you focus on your daily life. That's the power of mutual funds. To get access to mutual funds, you can make use of apps like Cowrywise, Quantum Zenith, WorldBuddy, or Optimus. There are many others, but again, these are platforms I've personally made use of. So I'm making my recommendations based on that for your safety. But if safety is your top priority, then FGN savings bonds are perfect for you. These bonds are issued by the federal government of Nigeria, which means your money is practically guaranteed. It's basically saying, here, government, hold my money, give me steady returns. Is that safe? As for the benefits, well, the interest rate is between 16 to 19% annually. They also split your interest into 4 parts and pay out every quarter, so you get consistent cash flow. You can also start with as little as 5,000 naira or as high as 50 million naira if you are so boxed up. FGM bonds are usually for long-term investors because they run from 2 years to as much as 10 years. Your interest is paid quarterly, as I stated, and your capital is returned to you at the end of the bond's tenure. So it's really good for people seeking consistent passive income. To get access to FGM bonds, you will need to register with a stockbroker. There's AfroInvest, Coronation, Cardinal Stone, amongst others. Me, I personally make use of Cardinal Stone. Next, we have Treasury bills, another government-backed option. The difference, Treasury bills are short-term investments ranging from 91 to 364 days, unlike FGM bonds, which ranges from 2 years to 10 years. Now, here's how it works. Just like when you're giving a 20% discount on an item in the shopping mall, T-bills works the same way. The interest is paid instantly in form of a discount. So, for example, a 1 million Naira T-bill subscription with a 20% discount rate will have you paying just 800,000 Naira. So, the 200,000 Naira becomes your interest, and at maturity, you receive 1 million Naira payment. It's great for people who want quick, safe returns. Treasury bills are like a no-risk money booster for short-term goals. To get access to treasury bills, you can visit your bank or use apps like iInvest and WorldBody or Bamboo. If you're ready to take on a little more risk, then let's talk about corporate debt notes or corporate bonds as is more popularly called. These are like loans you give to companies in exchange for interest. Basically, is how companies raise money without begging banks or their shareholders. Now, what makes it exciting? The returns range from 12% to as much as 30% annually, way higher than government bonds. Also, if you're big on sentiments, you're helping companies grow while growing your own wealth. The catch, however, is there's a risk the company might default. So do your research before investing. If you're looking for where to invest in corporate bonds, then check PiggyVest app. If you're comfortable taking calculated risks, corporate debt notes can seriously boost your returns. Now we are stepping into the future of high yield savings, which is crypto USDT savings. Emphasis on USDT. I didn't say Bitcoin. I didn't say Dogecoin. Before price crashes on your head and you start sending me death threats. USDT is a stable coin backed to the US dollar. So you don't have to worry about all the wild crypto price swings. I consider this a game changer because, well, you earn up to 13% annually on platforms like Binance, Bybit, or KuCoin. And this is 13% interest on dollar savings, which is way higher than any of the other interest rates we've talked about. Also, interest is paid daily or hourly in cases like Bybit. And finally, you can withdraw your funds anytime on flexible plans. There is no lockup period. Crypto savings is perfect if you're tech savvy and want higher returns. Just remember, crypto comes with its own risks. So invest wisely. Now that we've completely warmed up, let's talk about stocks, where the big money is made. When you buy stocks of a company, you own a piece of that company. If the company grows, your investment grows too. Historically, stocks provide the highest long-term returns, averaging 10 to 12% annually. You can earn double returns through capital gains and also dividends at the same time. However, you can also lose, especially when you jump blindly into the market. So start small by investing in companies you understand and believe in. Stocks can be risky in the short term, but if you're patient, the reward can be life-changing. You can invest in both Nigerian stocks and US stocks. For Nigerian stocks, you can make use of apps like Yocha, Trove, Meritrade, and AfriInvestor 2.0. By signing up with these apps, you automatically sign up with the stockbrokers affiliated with these apps as well. For US stocks, you can make use of the same apps with the inclusion of Bamboo and Optimus. Remember, these investments were listed in order of simplest to most complex. And I will say stock investing is currently one of the most complex forms of true investing. Mastering the stock market requires the greatest amount of skill, understanding, and discipline amongst every other investments mentioned in this video. So unless you're a professional, investing in individual stocks isn't really something I'd recommend to just anyone. Putting into consideration its complexity, but all hope is not lost. Hear me out. What if there was a way you could invest without going through the strenuous process of researching each individual stocks to know the best to pick? Well, that's where the final investment on our list comes in. Finally, we have ETFs or exchange traded funds. ETFs is basically a stock you can buy that contains a collection of other stocks in it and is traded on the stock exchanges much like individual stocks. So by buying a share of an ETF, you'll be buying into all the stocks contained in that ETF. For example, instead of buying shares in multiple tech companies, You can buy one tech-focused ETF and instantly you're diversified. ETFs are less risky than individual stocks and are perfect for beginners who want exposure to the stock market without the stress. Some popular ETFs include tech-focused funds or those tracking the top 100 or 500 companies in the stock market. So by buying that ETF, you're buying into 500 companies all at once. ETFs are like the cheat code to investing in multiple assets without needing to research each one. Perfect for beginners who want to play it safe and smart. And that's it, guys. 9 easy ways to start investing today. So whether you're going for the simplicity of fixed deposits or the excitement of stocks and crypto, there's something here for everyone. The key takeaway is to start now. Even small investments grow into big returns over time. So which option are you trying first? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you're still unsure which investment to start with, or you're skeptical and don't want to risk your money to find out which is best for you, then hi, I'm Bozo Martin, your self-proclaimed financial crash test dummy. I take all the wild investing risks so you don't have to. Think of me as the stunt double of the finance world. The guy who jumps into the fire first, just to check if it's warm or it will burn you to a crisp. I'll sniff out the good investments from the bad investments and the bad from the Ponzi schemes. Just drop a comment down in the comment section of the platform you would like me to check out and I'll jump in with my money so you don't have to. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, hit subscribe, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.